Good evening, Goenkar. Yeah, villagers who protested against the Panchayat Gar in coming up in Taligaon आणि थोड्या शेतकारांनी ती जोत मारलेले आणि तिसर कॉमेस केलें काम. Now, the detailed press statement will come tomorrow. We will give you only one person who would like to say something tonight. They were arrested early in the morning. What time were you arrested? At around 1 o'clock. And now, this is an advocate, Mr. Raikar.
Okay, unfortunately, at the behest of the political masters and on their instructions, the police arrested us today at around 1 p.m. For no fault of us. We were not doing anything. We were not blocking anybody. But yes, we were voicing people's concerns. The villagers, the farmers who are affected because of the illegal activity of the Taligaon Panchayat, and what we feel is that it is unjust. But we believe that this is not going to deter us. What is right will be done by us, and more importantly, we are going to put out a detailed statement to you. Get to the people of Taligaon, especially the farmers and the like-minded people, as to what is a future course of action, maybe tomorrow or day after.
Statehood day.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. सांगतो.
Mr. Xavier Almeida, would you like to say something?
गोंयकार भावानो, आयज आमचो गोवा स्टेटहूड डे आनी गोवा स्टेटहूड डे दीस आमकां एक बॅड एक्सपिरियन्स फेस करचें पडलें. आमी एक्चुली वावुरता आमचें एग्रीकल्चर रिवायव करपाक आनी फुडल्या स्टेपार वचपाक आनी आमच्या गांवांत प्रॉस्पेरिटी हाडपाक. आनी जायते शेतकार आतां भायर सरल्या 38 वर्सां 36 वर्सां शेतां रोयनातले. ते आतां आफ्टर कोवीड जाल्या उपरांत तांकां आतां सारकी दूख लागल्या आनी एग्रीकल्चराक बूस्ट दिवंक ते आतां वावुरता. सो एनी हांव आमी रेडी आसा. आमचें कसलेंय ओद्रुश्ट येयलें पूण आमचे शेपडेर कोण पांव दवरता त्या मनशाक आमी सोंपेपणी सोडचें ना. देव बरें करूं.
And this is Cecil Rodriguez, who was shouting and kicking, and we could not see exactly what it was about. Cecil, what do you have to say?
Well, from Saturday to today, it's been 1 week, and today on Statehood Day, I feel very disappointed that not even once the Sarpanch or the MLA came and spoke to us when we came to the field side. It is very disappointing because Panchayat belongs to the body of the people, and if you are...
Hi guys, so look who's here. Cecil.
Hello. I'm sorry, I've lost my voice. I've just had a long day. Hectic. 10:50. Sun. 1 o'clock we were taken into the police station. Home at around 10:30. So it's been a long day for us, a long fight. And here, so the deputy collector requested us to go the legal way, and pledged we'll be going ahead, trying to see what we can do best, putting the appeal into the high. Yeah, the battle is just begun. What we need to protect, farming is what we need to encourage, and if we have our documents right with us, so now we just have to prove at the court now and take it from there. So yeah, long, hot, crazy day, and it was worth it because it's for our Goa and it's for Taligaon, and I'm not an outsider. Agnel, Sarpanch, if you're watching this, I'm not an outsider. I bought this place. I'm a Goenkar, and it's been 10 years I'm residing in Taligaon. I can move anywhere I want in Goa because I'm a Goan. I can shift from anywhere. You can't tell a daughter of Goa West that she's an outsider. Okay? Yes. I wanted to be an outsider when I'm a voter. And you have come to my place asking for votes. So, very disappointed. I just happened to see your video and what you had to say. But you have to see hi from an outsider. I'm going to greet you every day when I meet you, Agner. Alright? My neighbor, sweet neighbor.
So guys, you heard from she's
People who Taligaon, know every day there's a land filling that's happening, field filling that's happening.
Absolutely.
And hill cutting that's happening. So it's a very disappointing.
Yes.
We're back. Okay, the net has gone out. But yeah, guys, what are we talking about?
Yeah. So
When you die, you can't take all these things when you go.
Absolutely.
So yeah, so we have to help and we have to make sure that we have our land saved for our future generations
Absolutely.
to come. And we have to encourage farming. That's why proud to be a farmer and proud to be a shetkar is what our hashtags that we are promoting. We're doing and we are trying to encourage people. So this is what our bit we are doing, and this battle is not over. Just the beginning, and
Oh, absolutely.
everyone in Goa who's watching this, guys, it's now or never. We have to stand up. We have to come to. It's now or never. That's all that I can say. It's now or
Absolutely.
never.
So, guys, you've heard directly from Cecil. She's back and she's stronger. There's any doubts about. And by the way,
Muscles I have stronger.
and whoever has called Agnel, whoever has called her an outsider, you know, heights of racism.
Arey, you're called. You know what you are called? You're called an outsider. You're called a Ghanti. I'm also called a Ghanti, I'm sure, because I've come from one place to another place in my own state. What else you can? And Sarpanch saying that, Baba kidhar hai Sarpanch?
Anyways, all fun and games in this whole seriousness and everything. We just want to make a point. You know, these people, whatever they're trying to do illegally, through all the stupid way, where are they going to take this, Mr. Monser? Where are you going to take?
Montserrat.
Yes,
Where are
I'm
you
Mrs.
going
Montserrat.
to take? You got two. How much you want? Generations in line. Okay, Sarpanch is there. He's the ex-PA. Then husband-wife team is happening. GPPDA chairperson is Montserrat. I mean, wow.
Wow. This is like a typical, you know, this is like mafia run business. Anyways, so we are going to sign off for now. We've left you with a lot of
It's been
thoughts.
a long day.
Yes, it's been a long day.
We're having gobi manchurian. Just finished.
I could not stress through the day. I was
But at the
waiting.
police station, we had rice, dal, and like
Huh.
some nice bhaji and pickle. Yeah.
Nice. Anyways,
Beggars
guys,
can't be choosers, guys. We had food, but they took care of it. Like that, they took care of it after. They were sweet after.
at least. So, hats off to everyone who's been following whatever is happening. Wake up. It's time. Okay? And we are signing off for now. Bye. Hi guys, good evening. So a quick update for everybody. So after a long day of struggles and being in detention, Cecil Rodriguez, Prakash Malani and few others, total 7 people who were detained by the Goa police today, this morning. They have been granted bail. Their paperwork is being processed at the moment and they will be out very soon. So wanted to quickly update everybody who's been calling. Yes, everybody is upset and they are also very worried for Cecil and the whole the group of people who've been there, who've been detained by Goa police. So this is to just let you know that they have been granted bail by the SDM, and so I'm very happy and relieved to finally see that Cecil will be out and all the others. Shrairagi Israni, Advocate Albertina Almeida, Advocate Pundalik Raikar, Xavier Almeida, Prakash Malani, who's also a member of our Rosto Goa team, and a few others. So, yes, let's keep praying, and my appeal to you, let's get united once and for all. I have spoken about this. The time has come. Please understand the gravity of the situation. You now know what the government is capable of and what it will do to protect its illegal activities at any cost. They will use the police, they will use any means possible to subdue us and our voices. And you've got an example of it just today, what they've done with by arresting these people. So anyways, I don't want to go on a long video on this. This was a quick update. Ruella Hendricks, thank you so much. You reached out to me. You were very tensed as well. So yeah, I am also relieved. Everybody should be now relieved that they've been granted bail. So I'll see you on the other side and I'll connect with you later on. Thank you.